Hi, this is Karen with WTI. Whenever I want to do a personalized present, this Legigo canvas bags has been a really cute option for me. It has the perfect size to do a makeup bag or probably a pencil bag. And what I like to do with this is personalize it, put probably the name of my friend or a client of mine. And I like also that the material is super durable, is a canvas, so it does take heat. As you can see, I was doing this little bee on one of the corners, and the material of the bag actually took really well the temperature and the transfer. It was really smoothly, it went really nice. So it was super simple to do it. It took me only a few minutes and the transfer heat went really nice. And that's my point of view.